Hey, a little training tip for you when you're backpacking dog or you're hiking dog. If you're in a territory that you have snakes or something, or you're coming up to something dangerous, one thing you can teach your dog is to stop on a dime. And I'll show you. Go! We're walking along and I happen to see a snake on the trail ahead of her. Stop! Yes, good girl. Good girl. Hooray! Yay! It might save your dog's life. Just a little tip. Stop! Good girl. Yes! Yay! Good girl. Good girl. Just throw it in randomly. No warning. Go. Go. Sorry. Quincy, come. Quincy, come. Good girl. Yes. Can't stop for very long. The mosquitoes are awful in here.